Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of November 9th in my medium vertical recollections planner. This is a kit by Wildermer Designs. So the way that this works is I will pre-plan my week and I will lay down my kit with what I know is going to be happening. And then with these blank spaces, I will go ahead and just use the leftovers from the kit as well as stickers in my collection to just kind of memory plan and, put into my planner what happened that day so that I can kind of memory keep as well. And that way my planner is just not with a bunch of blank spots, So if you want to check out how I pre-plan my video, I'll have that link down below or it'll pop up in the cards so you can check it out after this video. But for the memory plan with me, let's go ahead and get started. On Monday, I'm going to take a half box from the kit and then a cat butt from Cozy Paper Co., which is a shop that I PR for. Make sure you mention Lisa in the notes for my freebie. Over one of Cozy Paper Co.'s fall like hexagon deco shapes. I just want to layer those together because I did a deep clean of the litter box, and so I always like to use those cat butts for a litter box. Sometimes like buying food, but usually I use those for the litter box. Then I'm going to take a divider by the Giving Girl, because there was a little bit of space in between those, in there. So I just kind of wanted to put something in there that would look pretty and foily. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a, oh, and then I figured I forgot to fill out what bill was due on Monday. So I just checked my November monthly because that'll show me all the bills that are due and wrote that in. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a flag from the kit, as well as one of the little dots that come in the kit, and I'm going to layer that dot with a transparent dot from the Giving Girl, and then one of the little bow doodle sports bras from the Giving Girl, because I worked out on Monday. And I was originally going to write work out, but then I remembered that I have a leftover sheet from the Giving Girl where she's got these beautiful script stickers. Her script stickers are honestly just some of the best. I don't know if it's her handwriting or what, but the font is so pretty. So, I just used like a workout script sticker. I was trying to layer the transparent dot to go underneath the like sports bra, but I guess I should have, put the dot first. Oh well. So that was just to mark working out. Then I'm going to take a label from the kit, and I also have like a couple of leftover like header overlays that are like with the fall leaves. I'm going to kind of layer them underneath the label because I want it to kind of have this, like surrounded by foil kind of look. So I thought that that would kind of look neat. And to make it a little bit easier to kind of layer these header overlays, I'm going to just use the sticker kit as like a backing just to layer those together. So it's a little hard to make sure they were, kind of even, but why am I yawning? I got that to work. And then I'm going to take another bow clear icon from the Giving Girl with the little, it's like one of her envelopes, one of her, that her stickers come in, her beautiful, famously beautiful envelopes, just to put stickers away because I, have like a massive amount of stickers to put away after I plan, and I always plan over the weekend and kind of neglect to put them away. For my gratitude, I wrote that I was grateful for being stronger because I have been committing to working out 3 to 4 days a week now for the past couple of months, and so I'm just like really proud of myself for doing that. Even though my weight's been not like going down as fast as I'd like, I'm still like proud of myself for consecutively, well, for committing for continuing to do it anyways, because I hate working out. Anyways, moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to put down a half box from the kit, and then this cute little flourish like swirly thing from Honey Inked, just for a little, separation, some pretty foil. And then I'm going to take another one of those hexagons from Cozy Paper Co., and I'm going to layer that with a Crafts by Thaowie icon, a bow icon with the like hammer and I don't know, wrench or whatever, because we've been working on the insulation around our back door, and oh my god, it's such a pain in the butt. I would honestly rather just hire somebody to do it because it's so freaking hard to do. So it takes like a couple hours just to do like one side of the door. Anyways, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a half box from the kit and a flag from the kit. The half box is because I lit one of my new Bath & Body Works candles, and it's called Thanks and Giving. I think it smells really good, super like caramely and fall-y, and I like it a lot. So I don't know, it was a new candle for me. I'm going to layer the candle deco from the kit with that and a little side bow from the Giving Girl. And then I have an ampersand from Colored Daze. And I thought that was cute because, you know, like, why not? I have a foiled ampersand, might as well use it, you know? Then I'm going to layer this like little piece of like dried berry situation with the flag because I had worked on some homemade garland, like an apple slices and orange slices dried garland kind of thing. So I wanted to work on that garland with my son so we could like string it up and hang it and stuff. So that's what we did on Tuesday. And then I have this pretty honey inked kind of lacy divider thing I wanted to add under there, like on top of the half box. And just thought that would look cute. And my Tuesday's gratitude, I wrote desserts. I honestly don't remember what desserts I ate on Tuesday, but whatever they were good. Wednesday, I'm going to start with a rescheduled sticker because I was supposed to upload my holiday planner review on Wednesday and I didn't get around to doing it. But I am going to be uploading it the following week, so stay tuned. Then I'm going to take an appointment label from the kit and a bow doodled stethoscope icon from Destash With Me Designs to write in my husband had physical therapy. Finally, y'all. We have literally been trying to get him to see the physical therapist for like 3 months because he has really bad arthritis in his back and hips and stuff. And the doctor referred him, and then they just kept like, I don't know, putting it off or something. I don't know. They said that like they had to wait for insurance to approve it, and that took like a few weeks, and finally insurance approved it, and they were like, here's the number, call them. So then we tried to call them for like 3-4 weeks, and we would just get voicemail, and we'd leave several voicemails. Nobody would ever call us back. It was like, how on earth? So finally we call the doctor. They're like, oh, I'm so sorry. Let me try to call another physical therapist. I can understand why that would be frustrating to try to call your doctor and they never answer. So they tried to find another physical therapist that the insurance had to approve. And then we had the same problem trying to call them and nobody's picking up. So it was like, what the heck? Anyways, we finally drove to the place, had him walk in and meet face to face with the receptionist to be like, hey, I want an appointment. Ridiculous. So Wednesday I put my gratitude as grateful for him having that doctor appointment. Also, I felt like I needed to spruce up that little section that said no school, so I just used like a page marker divider from the Giving Girl and then a little flourish from Honey Inked above and below the no school script. On Thursday, I am going to put in a quarter box and a little car icon from the kit, but it just kind of looked kind of sad by itself, so I thought I'd throw in a little leaf too, because why not? And that was just to mark that I went to Macy's at a mall. One of the malls here in Vegas is called Meadows Mall, because I had ordered. It was like part of their ongoing Black Friday. All the shops are doing like the whole freaking month of November Black Friday. But anyways, it was part of their ongoing Black Friday deals. I ordered like a little throw blanket and matching pillows set, like a Sherpa throw. It's so freaking soft and cute, and is super cheap. So I had to like order to the store to pick it up because shipping wasn't free. So I had to go and pick it up on Thursday. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a little flag from the kit and a quarter box again, and I'm just going to layer the quarter box with a hexagon from the kit and then a coffee cup from Watercolor Designs because it was happy hour at Starbucks, so my husband and I got some Starbucks. Buy one, get one free. And then with the flag, I'm going to layer a little set of tarot cards from, again, Watercolor Designs, and then her Happy Mail script from the kit because I finally got my tarot cards. So I wrote that for my gratitude because I'm so happy to have them. I have no idea how to use them. I'm still reading a book, Tarot for Beginners. So I am nowhere near ready to play with those things, but I am so excited. And they're so cute and just like perfect and me. They called to me. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm definitely gonna be showing you in my haul, my planner haul. It's not even planner related, but like, I just have to show you. So anyways, excited for those. Friday, I'm going to put a little half box in and a little quarter box in, and then I'm going to take a little swirly cute thing from Honey Inked above the quarter box because I felt like it needed a little something there, you know, I don't like too much white space. Then I'm going to take one of these cute pumpkin bow corners from Simply Watercolor Co. And I thought it would look cute layered with this dumbbell free weight thing and just covered the bow that was already on it, but it just really did not look cute and it was kind of a struggle to take them apart. Oops. But the little weight is from Destash With Me Designs, and so yeah, I decided let's not do that. But anyways, the little weight I am just going to put in that half box with a couple of dots from the Giving Girl, and we're going to save that. See, I'm going to put it right there on the movie marquee, not going to waste it. The little pumpkin bow. And so the half box there was because I did like a Latin dance cardio I found on YouTube. Oh my gosh, y'all, I have no freaking rhythm. It was terrible. I love dancing and I love like salsa, flamenco, that shit. Sorry, that stuff is so like sexy and funny and not funny, fun looking, but I can't do it. I need to slow it down and watch each foot movement before I can finally get the hang of it. And those freaking cardio dance exercises, they go too fast and I can't keep up. But I'm gonna keep trying because it was fun. And then for my quarter box, I just used another one of those Giving Girl bow clear icons with her envelope on it because I got my advent calendar from the Giving Girl finally. And I don't mean that in like, oh, it's been so long. I mean, finally, like, I'm excited. Yay, you know? I have not gone through it yet because I always show you guys on my Instagram. I always go through it one day by day. So make sure you follow me on there if you want to see me go through it in December. And then I just use like a little flourish thing from Honey Inked above the Latin dance thing. My gratitude for Friday was Christmas music because I've just been in the Christmas spirit. Saturday, I didn't have too much to do. I just marked my checklist and wrote in the movie we watched with my son for our movie night, which was The Maze Runner. I love that movie. It's so cool. I don't remember if I've seen number 2 and 3, but the first one's like so cool. Kind of want to read the book. Sunday, I just checked off my checklist. I'm going to take a like fun size box from the kit. And then this adorable little Trader Joe's what's it called? Bag. I'm gonna say book from Fox. A bag from Fox and Pip, and add a little side bow from the Giving Girl. And then I'm gonna put a grocery shopping script from Letters to Apollo, but I'm gonna cut it because I want it to fit in that little box. So that was my last one on the sheet. And yeah, we did our grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a quarter box from the kit and another Fox and Pip bow icon thing from her like cat care sheet. It's got like the food and water bowl. Oh wait, sorry, I'm skipping the I forgot about the flag. Just kidding. We'll get there. I'm gonna take a flag from the kit and then I'm gonna do a layering with a hexagon and a coffee cup icon from the kit and a Giving Girl transparent bow dot, because on the way home from grocery shopping we stopped at Starbucks and Dutch Brothers. So I'm gonna use another ampersand from Colored Daze. And so I'm not a Dutch Bros fan. It's the chaotic energy for me. It's just, I'm not about it. No, but my son loves Dutch Bros. Actually, he loves Starbucks too. He really just likes the Frappuccinos and like the pink drink and stuff. But he also likes Dutch Bros. And we wanted to get him a little special treat on the way home from groceries. And because I am not a fan of Dutch Bros, I stopped at Starbucks for my husband and myself. And then we stopped because Dutch Bros was like on the way too. It's not like we were going, out of the way or anything. We stopped at Dutch Bros to get him a little smoothie. Anyways, back to what I was saying. The quarter box and then the Fox and Pip cat care icon was because I got my Chewy delivery. I don't know how they delivered it on a Sunday. Maybe they probably don't use the USPS, I guess. I thought Chewy was spelled with the EY, but then I looked at the box and realized, oops, it's not. And then I used a Honey Inked lace bow divider on the top as well. So it would kind of offset, like I have one on the left side of the planner and now I have one on the right side of the planner. I like to keep some balance there. And yeah, it was my first Chewy delivery because I got like a coupon in the mail for like a $15 off or whatever. So I figured, why not? I need some more cat food, so might as well. And I also needed kitty litter because like, duh. So yeah, got my Chewy delivery. I don't know if I'm going to continue using them. I usually just go to Petco, but like, I don't know, their prices seem like kind of decent. I feel like when I was comparing the prices to Amazon and Petco, they were basically the same. The only difference was that I had the $15 off. So obviously it was cheaper for the one-time purchase, but like going forward, it's not. It's just like the same as Amazon or Petco. But then if I can get free shipping, then might as well like have it shipped to me for the same price, right? So maybe I'll continue using them. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to take some of the deco from the kit and just sprinkle that all over the top to make it look cute. I also had like a little, what is it called? Freebie. A little order freebie from Monster Designs that had a few pumpkins and leaves on it, and I wanted to use that too because why not, And then I almost forgot to write in my gratitude for Sunday, but I did go back and write it in, and I wrote Trader Joe's babka because y'all, I shared this on my Instagram stories. We got this chocolate Brooklyn babka from Trader Joe's, first time trying it, and it is so good, y'all. 10 out of 10. If you love chocolate and fudgy, gooey, slightly dark, but mostly just fudgy and milky, go and get it. You will not regret it. It's delicious. Anyways, so that is it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my videos because I do put out content regularly. And leave me a comment down below if you have a question about anything at all, or if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi back because I love responding to you guys and I love talking to you guys because I love our planner community here. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!